Hello, so in today's video, I'll show you how to convert your current customers from StanStore to the System.io contacts. So the first thing you have to do is go on your customers tab on StanStore, then click on the three dots and go where it says download CSV. And right there you can see it's exporting. Then you just go on your download section from your browser. In this case, I'm using Safari. Then use your preferred Sheets app. In this case, I'm using the Numbers app, but this should work for Google Sheets as well or Excel. Then we have to remove the columns that are not necessary that StanStore provides. So in this case, I'm just going to keep the full name, the email, and the day that they joined the email list. And then after this, we just remove the remaining columns so we can continue. Then I'm going to rename the sheet right here because right now it says your Stan audience. I'm going to put test, update it to export. Now that we have the new name, we can share and then press export and send. Okay, so then, okay, it's not working right here. So we click the CSV and then press save to files. And right here I put it on the download section and rename it. Now we can go back to our System.io tab. And right here we already have it. It's the second one. We click it and now it says right there, file upload complete. We click the next. And right here, we already have the three columns, and it's easy, as you can see. I also clicked the tag lead for this section. And right now, you may see that it says 0 out of 2 registered. It takes a while for System.io to approve or to register. I go to the contacts, and now I waited a couple minutes, and they show up right there. My new contacts. All right, so thank you for watching, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment down below.